So emergency response basically is threefold. You've got forensics response, you've got collision response, and you have inspection response.
Well, we've seen all kinds of emergencies, from natural disasters such as high winds or flooding to wildfires, bridges settling, like a pier sinking down, cracks developing.
We have an aging infrastructure. Not all the maintenance is done the way it should be done, so these things occur.
You know, all of our engineers have a go bag ready, and this could happen anytime during the day or night.
Januszkiewicz Master takes on emergency response in large part because we have such a great depth of knowledge and experience and in a vast array of different types of structures.
We often install sensors to determine how the bridge is behaving. We monitor tilt, temperature, deflection, strain or stress. We also use ultrasonic testing, mag particle, or even just vibrational monitoring to determine what the problems are for the bridge.
Emergency response is the ultimate in applied engineering. That's what emergency response is.
It's almost like detective work, where you arrive on site and interview the parties and find the clues and then determine what needs to be done and typically oversee the solution as well.
To me, that's what makes it satisfying. We get to use our experience and knowledge. Everything we've got